Hello, discover 10 amazing kitchen gadgets on Amazon that have made life so much easier and more convenient in this era of technology. These gadgets are designed to simplify your daily cooking and household tasks like never before. Don't miss this video, and remember, you can also purchase these products using the links provided in the description. Plus, enjoy an exclusive 20% discount through these links. Make sure to check them out. 1. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. 8 quarts is a versatile kitchen appliance combining 7 functions: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and warmer. Its large stainless steel design is perfect for families or meal prepping, offering durability and easy cleaning. It reduces cooking time by up to 70% and includes an app with 800+ recipes for endless meal ideas. With multiple safety features and customizable programs, it's ideal for quick, convenient, and delicious. 2. The Mekadi Electric Gooseneck Kettle is a compact 0.8L kettle designed for precision brewing with +1 temperature control, making it ideal for coffee, tea, and formula preparation. Its 1200-watt quick heating and gooseneck spout ensure fast, controlled pouring for perfect results every time. With safety features like auto shutoff and boil dry protection, it's both efficient and reliable. The matte black barista edition finish adds a sleek, professional touch, making it a great choice for coffee enthusiasts and modern kitchens. Vegetable Delivery is the all-in-one vegetable chopper, is a versatile kitchen tool with 8 interchangeable stainless steel blades for slicing, dicing, chopping, grating, and even cutting perfect French fries. It features a durable container to collect chopped ingredients, keeping your kitchen mess-free. The mandolin slicer ensures thin, uniform slices, while the cheese grater makes shredding effortless. Made from high-quality, rust-resistant materials, it's designed for durability and ease of use. Now, compact and time-saving, this chopper is perfect for anyone looking to simplify meal prep without compromising on quality. Also, since being in a The Good Grips 15-piece everyday kitchen utensils set, Silver is a comprehensive collection of durable and versatile tools designed for modern kitchens. Featuring ergonomic, non-slip handles for comfort, the set includes essential items like spatulas, tongs, a whisk, can opener, grater, and measuring tools, all crafted from stainless steel and heat-resistant nylon. Most utensils are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, and the set comes with a sleek utensil holder for organized storage. Perfect for everyday cooking, it combines functionality, durability, and a stylish silver finish to enhance any kitchen setup. The Foodies 6-in-1 Flex Basket Air Fryer is a versatile 7-quart appliance perfect for families, offering 6 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, and dehydrate. Its unique Flex Basket system features a large mega zone for cooking big proteins or full meals, and a basket divider for preparing 2 dishes simultaneously. With smart finish technology, it ensures both foods are cooked in different styles. Designed for convenience and healthier cooking with little to no oil, it's an ideal solution for quick and delicious meals. 6. The Personal Blender is a compact and powerful 600-watt appliance designed for shakes, smoothies, frozen blending, and food prep. Its 24-ounce capacity is perfect for single servings, while the high-performance motor ensures smooth blending of fruits, vegetables, ice, and more. With a sleek gray design, it's ideal for quick, healthy meals or snacks at home or on the go. Easy to use and clean, this blender is a must-have for anyone seeking convenience and efficiency in their daily routine. 7. The Deep Fryer with Basket is a compact yet powerful 1800W appliance, perfect for home and small commercial kitchens. With a 9L 9.5 QT capacity, it's ideal for frying a variety of foods like chicken, fries, and seafood. Made of durable stainless steel, it features an adjustable thermostat for precise temperature control and consistent results. My thought just called out to me really quick. Its 120V compatibility makes it convenient for standard outlets, while the included basket ensures safe and easy frying. Perfect for family meals or small gatherings, this deep fryer combines efficiency and reliability for all your frying needs. So yeah, get 15% off as a Code Guys podcast. 8. The Programmable XL 14-Cup Coffee Maker Pro is a sleek and efficient appliance designed for coffee enthusiasts. Featuring a large 14-cup glass carafe, it's perfect for households or gatherings. The programmable timer ensures your coffee is ready when you need it, while the freshness timer lets you track how long a coffee's been brewed. Its permanent filter eliminates the need for paper filters, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective. With a modern black stainless steel finish, this coffee maker combines style, convenience, and functionality for a premium brewing experience. 9. The Steam Shot TM Omni Reach handheld steam cleaner is a powerful and portable cleaning tool designed for versatility and convenience. It effectively cleans and sanitizes with the natural power of steam, eliminating dirt, grime, and bacteria without harsh chemicals. Featuring an extended reach design, it easily tackles hard-to-reach areas like corners, crevices, and high surfaces. Doctor, I'm wearing a hard-to-reach shirt. I have an undergarment book band. It's great. It's put in a bag and taken outside. Yeah. Lightweight and user-friendly, it's perfect for cleaning kitchens, bathrooms, upholstery, and more. With its updated 2024 model enhancements, it offers improved performance and efficiency, making it a must-have for effortless, eco-friendly cleaning. 10. The Kitchen Mats 2PCS set includes cushioned anti-fatigue mats designed for comfort and style. Perfect for kitchens, offices, or standing desks. These mats reduce pressure on feet and joints during long periods of standing. The set features two sizes, 17.3 x 30 and 17.3 x 47, both with a non-slip backing for enhanced safety and a waterproof surface for easy cleaning. The sleek black design complements any decor while providing durability and functionality, making them an excellent addition to your workspace or home. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel so we can keep bringing you more content like this. The links to the gadgets featured in the video are available in the description below. You can purchase these gadgets from Amazon through the provided link and get a 20% discount.